It's Margarita, and I am back with another review from my favorite clothing brand, Bombshell Sportswear.
I like something that I see in you. I like that you know it too. I like the way that you do what you do.
This just in. New print alert. You all, I have been itching for Bombshell to release some prints, and they finally delivered with the Cheetah. I ordered them in two colors. This one is the lightning gray and the desert tan. I didn't get the pink because honestly the pink looked a little cheesy. I don't know if they had a third color, I don't recall offhand. But I absolutely love the desert tan. Oh my God, do you see this? I love it, I love it, I love it. What I didn't love, however, yes, I know, right? The yin and the yang was the fit. For this to be called the fit cut of the pant, it did not fit me. Oh my goodness. And when I tell you I was devastated that it didn't fit me because I love this print. Oh my goodness. Devastated. Let me show you this in the gray as well since I got it. This I like a lot too, but not as much as the tan. Something about this tan just pops more. This gray, it's really cute, but it's a little basic for me, if that makes any sense. It doesn't say Bombshell like this color does. So we'll just stick with this one as I'm reviewing. It's got the beautiful metal placard, which I love. I love that shiny element. It's got the scrunch butt, which is really cool. The legs looked pretty good, but what did not look good is the waist. And it's funny because I was on the fence about these as I was trying them on. And at the time, my husband walked past and he said, "Oh no, send those back." And so he actually pushed me over the edge of the fence because I was kind of like teetering on the same thing. I do not like how the midsection of their pants fit a lot of times depending on the cut. This waistband is not flattering. The legs looked fine, the butt looked amazing, but something about this waistband that just does not fit well. In the back, it's got this drop here above the scrunch butt, so it's got the little point kind of a thing here, which is cool because it draws the eye down to give the illusion of curvature that may or may not already be there. But the front, it's so straight across that it will make you look wider. If you are someone who does not want to look wider, and I really don't think anybody wants to look wider around the midsection, you want to have a waistband that has some type of drop or rise to it. I love the Brazilian cut, the V cuts, because it really gives a semblance of cinching. This waistband does not cinch, it expands. It will make a large waist look larger, a small waist look like it needs to lose a couple inches, and a medium waist just look large. So I do not recommend these if you are someone who does not have enough hip dimension to offset the waist. Also, the height. The height of the waistband appears to be 3.5 inches. Don't quote me on that. It just appears to be on the side. Now in the middle, because it's got this dip in the butt, it's going to be at least 4 inches right there above the crack or the arch of the back. Had it not been for this straight across seam in the front, that coupled with the height of the band, because is anyone else struggling with the height of the waistbands? I'm noticing a theme here. Several of my recent videos, I've had to send these pants back for the waistband. The legs are wonderful, the butt looks great, but then you get to the waist and it kills the entire look. Is anyone else having this problem? These would actually be cute with some pockets. So they don't have pockets on these, but that's okay. If we can just get the waistbands together, Bombshell. I love you. I love your brand. But I've been having to send so many of these things back that I've been ordering. I really wanted to have a print because I don't think I have any Bombshell with prints on it. And they delivered on the print, but then it's like the fit. If an item does not fit well, you cannot proceed to the next round of whether or not you should keep it. I don't care how cute a design is. If it doesn't fit well, it is not to be worn. Okay, ladies? Now, so yeah, sadly, these are going back. These were so cute. I love the colors and the prints. I really love this desert tan. Oh my God, look how great it looks against my skin. I loved it. So until they come out with a Brazilian cut in this, or they find a way to lower the height of the waistband, I can't. I don't know if I can continue to wear Bombshell leggings if this is how they're going to be cutting them, because it's been a lot I've had to send back. But let me know in the comments what you think. Also, if you have not already, follow me on Instagram at Margarita the Perfumista, because that's where my fitness content is. I'm having a moment right now. Because I never wanted to love a garment more than I wanted to love these because of this print. I am all about the print. But until next time, I am Margarita, and you have an awesome day. Bye.
Something that I see in you. I like that you know it too. The way that you do what you do.